SIKORA offers many different devices and technologies to ensure your product quality. X-ray technology of the X-ray 8000 and X-ray 6000. Laser technology of the Laser Series 2000. Or optical inspection cameras of the Purity Scanner Advanced, and many more. SIKORA devices are in use for years and still measure, control, and inspect as exact as on the day of delivery. A calibration, in the sense of alignment or adjustment, to maintain measurement accuracy is not necessary for SIKORA devices. Nevertheless, certain international norms and customers' requirements make regular calibrations necessary. Exactly for this purpose, we offer the SIKORA CARE Package. We calibrate your SIKORA devices regularly according to internationally applicable standards, on-site in your production plant, including certification according to DIN EN ISO 9001 specifications, including all necessary and certified test equipment. The operational readiness of our complex technologies is significantly increased by regular maintenance. Therefore, professional maintenance is an integral part of the calibration performed by our engineers. The SIKORA CARE Package also includes regular maintenance and professional replacement of wear parts. Any abnormalities are immediately repaired by SIKORA service specialists. Opt for a SIKORA maintenance program and ensure a constantly high device availability. Appointments for calibrations and maintenance can also be booked without a contractual commitment. We will be happy to advise you and tailor our maintenance programs individually to your equipment and needs. If you use this service regularly, we recommend our discounted maintenance programs with 3 or 5-year terms. Save effort, time, and money. For more information about our SIKORA CARE Package, please contact your SIKORA service representative directly or visit our website at sikora.net/SIKORACare.